Okay guys, good morning. Market has just started a little bit quick. Let's see if we can make a trade here. We see the volume expansion and the correlation to the upside. We can place a buy stop
Order submitted.
on the close of the bar. It was very quick. This reversal was very fast. Was lots of selling in this area. We can see here the print, but there's still some guys buying over here. These guys keep on selling on the micro ES.
Order filled.
There you go. We got filled.
Target. Stop filled.
Well, that's trading, guys. That's how the market works.
Order brick setup. Order submitted.
There's a volume expansion here. It's lots of selling in this area. Nasdaq is not helping. I don't like it.
Order cancelled.
Market is selling too much in this resistance.
Order submitted.
Okay, Nasdaq is starting to break here.
Order filled.
There we go. Leave some room.
Order submitted. Brick setup.
Still fighting for the long. See big buyers in the tape. Still accumulating interbar. Lots of buyers. Lots of buyers. They're accumulating. They're gonna take it a little bit higher. Nasdaq is stopping the market right now.
Target filled.
Okay, guys, that was quick. HFTs. Okay, guys, so the system told us the market was gonna go higher. Over here was empty, no correlation, no volume. Now the guys entered here. We started seeing the pull, then reverse, but was short-lived. Then we see the guys pushing here. Okay, guys, that was a very good trade. And if you're interested in this system, guys, you can contact me. There's the link in the description of this video. You see, market started and it was
Brick
crazy.
setup.
You cannot trade this. This is not tradable. Okay, so you just need to wait for the market to start printing. If it starts printing, it's because the traders are coming in. So you don't need to be trading a market that you're not invited. So it's best to wait. Okay, so you can see here in the volume. You can see here in the volume, the market is just no volume. As you can see here, the market started to print more volume. You see the big bars here, the accumulation bars. You need to look for this accumulation bars. These are the main potato. So you will know from here. Okay, so a bar can take up to 5 minutes to form. And once it starts forming, you're gonna know where the market is gonna head. Okay, so that's just a heads up, guys. It's important to understand when to trade and when not to trade. If market is too quick, just stay in the sideline. Those are algos trading. You cannot trade with those algos, so it's impossible to trade that way. It's better to let them go away or wait the European close. Okay, so the European close, you can trade better. Once these guys go away with those crazy algos, you can start trading the market and just wait for direction. Okay, this is a job, guys. Everybody tells me, but they want to trade like the open or something. This is a job. This is something that you need to handle because you want to replace your 9 to 5 job. So you need to wait, be patient. It's like when you have a shop, you need to wait for the customer. You cannot drag people into your shop, so you need to wait. This is the only way to trade, guys. I do not know another way to trade. So thanks for watching, guys. This was a very good trade, and if you're interested, just contact me. There's the link in the description of this video. Okay.